morning. This is Victoria Luminari. How are you? I think you might have caught me shuffling cards, poker style. How are you this morning? I hope everybody's doing well in your home and in your family. And this is our weekly angel message. And I can't wait to see what the angels have to say for us. Say about this week. It already feels good. I feel like spring is on the way. Yay! I don't know why. We're still in the middle of January. I don't know why it feels like spring. All right, everybody. Let's get grounded and centered. The kitties are going nuts. They're running around the house. So if you hear wild meows or hoofs, it's kitty hoofs. Kitty paws. All right. Let's take a deep breath. Breathe in that energy of Pachamama, Mother Earth. And let it out. And breathe it in again. Breathe in that energy through your feet, through your legs, through your body, all the way to the top of your head on the inhale. Beautiful. And just let it out consciously. And one more time, connect again to Mother Earth. Go right down to the very core of Mother Earth, right to her heart. Say, Pachamama, I'm here to connect with you. Breathe it in. Good. And then release. Good. Now, breathe in the energies of God, Creator, Source, Great Universe, Great Spirit, whatever name you like. It doesn't matter what we call it. Breathe the energies in through the top of your head, all the way into every cell, every atom, every molecule. Feel it settling right into your bone marrow. Good. And breathe that energy in again. Good. Feel it going down your neck, into your shoulders, down your arms, into your fingers, through your body, down into your feet. Beautiful. We could just stop right there. It feels so good. And now we're going to call in the angels that I work with. So intentionally call in your guides, guardians, and angels. I'll be all right. Don't worry about a thing. Archangel Michael, Viwamis, Melchizedek, Metatron, Mother Mary, Kuan Yin, Jesus, Buddha, Ganesh, Sai Baba, Saint Germain, the Violet Flame, Ariel, Uriel, Zadkiel, Chamuel, Hanael, Hilarion, Lakshmi, Raphael, Gabriel, Divine Mother, Divine Father. And I ask to be made a clear and perfect channel for the wisdom that will come through this reading. Very good. All right. So I see Kath is here. Good morning, my dear. How are you? I am going to shuffle it like a poker deck because I want to get it all shuffled up kind of nice. Really shift the energy in the cards. I'm going to tap them to clear. And we're asking the angels for wisdom for all of us. Anybody who watches this video live or on replay, what's the wisdom that we need for this week? All right. And you know, I have a program that starts this week. Tap out Overwhelm, Tap in Resilience. If you go to the link in the message here on this video, you can see a 30-minute introduction, and you can tap along to that, and you know, see if it's something that resonates with you. If you want to join the class, there's still room, and it's only $97 for 6 sessions plus 3 bonuses. So you're getting quite a bit of good stuff. You're going to borrow benefits. We're going to actually be working together. We're going to be on a Zoom call, so to be interactive. It's going to be great. Okay, and they say to quit. Okay, We got 3 cards for the week. And our first card is bold. When you are bold, you can step into your brilliance where there is no shame. And so what I'm hearing is, a lot of us are kind of afraid. We do step out and then we put on the brakes, Oh dear, what if, somebody critiques that, or maybe it's your art, maybe it's something that you create in some way. Maybe it's something that you say. Maybe it's your, maybe you've done research and you have research to share and people don't want to hear it. So we're afraid to be bold, even though we're trying to be of service. So what the angels are saying is, if you're trying to be of service, you ask us to help you, and we'll open the doors, we'll open the gates to help people to receive the information. That's very interesting. I never know what they're going to say, so I watch this over. I watch the replay myself because, this is just as much for me as it is for you, except for I'm receiving it in real time and I don't necessarily hear it when they're saying it. That was really interesting. The next card is, these 2 fell out at the same time, and I'm asking the angels which one. They say it doesn't matter which one to pick first. The second card is confidence. It goes right along with bold, doesn't it? Your confidence soars when you allow imperfection to be your friend. And I have a little note on my desk. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be done. Ooh, right? And I got that from, I don't know what it was, something I listened to, some book or presentation I listened to. And so there we are, confidence. And there goes a cat running. Your confidence soars when you allow imperfection to be your friend. So with the bold and the confidence, the angels are really encouraging us just to step out. Every day set your intention to be an instrument of love and light and wisdom and, not your opinion. You're not sharing your opinion, but you're sharing the wisdom that you're receiving. And be confident in that, knowing that, the angels are going to give you the information when you need it. All right. The next card is courage. There it is. I love these cards. Courage comes as you listen to your heart whisper, yes, yeah, you can step up today and shine. This is a really great week, it looks like, for us all to set our intentions and start to share our gifts with the world. And I think that's really important because whatever we have to offer, the world needs it. The world needs our sense of humor. The world needs our wisdom. The world needs our art. The world needs everything. As you know, for those of us who have been in at home now since March. No, I'm not bitter. I'm really not. I'm fine. But, there are days when I'd be like, it'd be nice to go somewhere and do something. But I'm not worried about it as much as maybe extroverts are, or people that are used to doing and going and all that. But, we can, just because we're not out there in the world doesn't mean we can't share our wisdom, right? We can share it in a multitude of ways and be creative with that. And yes, you are creative because you are a divine spark of God, and God is creative, right? If that's the name you choose to use, you could say universe, you could say great spirit, you name it what you want. I am that I am is really the name of God. So there you have it. And do check out the free tap out overwhelm, tap in resilience, and see if it's something that calls to you. We're going to have a blast. And people that have taken my class before, similar class, boy, I'll tell you, major shifts major shifts in the first class. We had people that were holding on to grief, let that go. You know, if you have these things, these emotions that are holding you back, holding you in an old pattern, when you want to keep moving forward, you're not going to be able to move forward unless you address it and get rid of it. So that's what we're going to be doing a lot of. So we're tapping out the old, tapping out the overwhelm, tapping in the resilience, whatever it is you're desiring. And it's going to be tailored just for you. Just whoever's on that class, on the calls for that class, it's going to be tailored just for you. All right, have a great week, everybody. Love you all. Bye for now.